Darling, you send me, I know you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. My name is Aoife. It's nice to meet you. So today I have a super exciting video. I've thought about this, filming this for a really long time. This is my entire LUSH collection. I'm kind of new to LUSH. I bought 2 products last year, I think, and then I kind of got insanely obsessed with it. And I have bought a lot of new products this year in the last couple of months, and I am obsessed with everything that I got. I absolutely love it, and I'm gonna keep continuing to use these products and purchase new products from LUSH because I have just fallen in love, and I just can't get used to using, you know, like normal branded shampoos or whatever. Like, you know, I'll just get more into detail in the video about the products. But yeah, this is my entire LUSH collection. I hope you enjoy. But before we get into the video, I just want to mention that recently I hit 400 subscribers, and my goal is 500. And for my 500 subscribers, I'm going to be doing like a personal Q&A. It could be about anything at all, any questions you ask, and when someone asks a question, I'll be putting their channel or their name, if they don't have a channel, on the screen, and I'll be answering the questions, so you kind of get like a little shout out from the video. Yeah, I have a couple of questions. I've wrote them on my phone with the channel name and stuff, and I'm kind of getting organized on that. But if you would like to ask a question and be featured on my channel, please leave it down below, or any other video. Just, I'll find it on YouTube, just leave it on any video you want. And that's pretty much it. So without further ado, let's just quickly get right into it, because I feel like this is going to be a really long video. I'm first going to start off with the first ever LUSH products that I got. And I went into LUSH, into an actual store. They're not really near my house, but I was at my dad's house when I went in. I think I actually have the haul on my channel. But the first product that I got was Mask of Magnanimity. I'm so bad at pronouncing things, I apologise. This is basically the green. It's kind of gloopy because it spilled a bit. But this is a face and body mask. I've used a lot of it, as you can see. I'm not sure if you can actually see that, but there's a little bit left to the bottom. It smells just like mint ice cream, which I was really shocked at when the woman was at the store. She was a really, really nice woman. She was kind of like, smell it, it smells so good. And I smelled it and I was like, oh my god, I'm getting this one. This is for like clearing up your skin and stuff. My hand is really sticky after touching that. But this is for clearing up your skin, and I absolutely love it. It does have little bits in it, so you can like exfoliate a little bit. And I feel like this was the perfect mask for me to try out first, because it was like really, really good quality, and it made me like branch out, and I really enjoyed it. The second product that I also got that day was the Ultra Bland Facial Cleanser. This one is one that I kind of didn't like at the start of my use. I feel like I'm so used to like soap cleansers that this was like a big change for me. So it took me a while to use it, but it smells like honey and like clean, like a clean scent, I think. It's very, it's like an oil base kind of one, I think. Not really sure. It's a very gentle face cleanser, and it's rich, soft, oily cleansing cream that cares gently for all skin types. So with this, the thing that I was like unsure about and I didn't really like at first was you put this on your face and you have to use a toner to take it off, like a toner cleanser, you know, those liquids, whatever you want to call them, with a cotton pad to take it off. It doesn't come off with water because it's so oily. But the thing is, I have very dry skin, very sensitive skin. This does not affect it whatsoever. It will kind of break me out a little bit if I don't get it all off, but you can kind of feel it on your face when you don't get it all off. But if you don't get it all off, the oil kind of like stays there, and it, you know, when you're sweating, it clogs up your pores and stuff. But the actual using this properly, it does not break me out at all. I have started using it properly in the last couple of months, and I really, really liked it. You only need a tiny little bit. You could actually like loosen up your makeup taking it off, but I like to take my makeup off first, then go in with this, take it off with the toner, and then tone again just to make sure it's all off, and then I'll go in with my moisturizer. But I have really been loving this lately, and it was one that I was really unsure. I really hated it. I was really thinking about like throwing it out, but I have actually really enjoyed this, and it's really good for sensitive skin. Because that purchase was my only purchase in the actual shop, it was the only time that I got Lush samples. So I got two samples. I got the Dream Cream and then I got the Skin Drink Facial Moisturizer. I have been using this a bit. I do have very sensitive skin, that's why she recommended me a skin drink. I have very bad eczema. I don't like to put it on my actual eczema because it just kind of makes it get worse. Just because my eczema is so bad, I need like doctor approved cream to put on my eczema. That's the only thing that takes it away, and it will come back if I stop using it. But I like to use this on parts of my skin. If you know anything about eczema, eczema will come on different parts of your skin and it'll go away for a few months and then it might come back on another part of your skin. So I have a little bit here. I would use the cream, the special cream on this side, but like other parts I used to have it on my hand here, and I will use this this Dream Cream on parts to moisturize of parts where I used to have it and don't have it anymore, just because they're still very sensitive, and if I used the wrong moisturizer that doesn't suit my skin it would come back, but using this it won't come back, if you get what I mean. It's very hard to explain. And then the Skin Drink Facial Moisturizer. I really like this. It makes my skin super glowy and nice. I have used a lot of it. She filled it right to the top. But the only thing I don't like about this is the smell. I went to my boyfriend's house and he lives like 3 hours drive away from me on a bus, and I brought this moisturizer just because it was small. I didn't think he would think anything of it, but he went to kiss me at night time in the dark when I had this on, like just kiss me goodnight and stuff. That sounded really weird, but he was like, ew, what's on your face, it smells so bad, and he was like heaving. It's from the moisturizer. It smells a bit weird. I have to like agree with him. It smells a bit weird, but I kind of get used to it when it's on my own face, but you can still smell it on your face for like 3 hours after you put it on. So I only tend to use that at night time, but yeah, I do like it. That was all I got from that order, and then I ordered online, and this was when my life went downhill and my bank account was deceased because I kept ordering stuff online. So the first things that I ordered was the solid shampoos. So this one is the Lullaby shampoo. I have to remember the name of it. This one is like to help you sleep and stuff. I have like used it a lot. It is super skinny, as you can see, but I absolutely love this. I love the smell of it. I love the way it leaves my hair. My hair has never been as shiny in my whole entire life, and that kind of shampoo is to clean, and that type of shampoo is to clean your hair and stuff, but it is not like it's to help you sleep more. That's like when you read the back of the instructions, like it's to help you sleep. But other shampoos in Lush are help to like make your hair shiny and stuff, and this one that helps me sleep and makes my hair so shiny. So like I don't know what the shiny shampoos would make me do. This other shampoo, this one is, I have not tried this one before. This is what they look like when they're new, like compared to the old one. It's like really fat. This smells like just like the clove sweets. I said this in the haul, like I put a picture on the screen of what they smell like. It smells exactly like the hard clove sweets that you get. I'm not sure if they're just in my country, I'm pretty sure they're not. But this one, I forget the name of it. I think it's called New. It's called a New shampoo, and this is basically to like stimulate your scalp and like prevent new hair growth and like keep your hair healthy and stuff. So I'm really excited to use this to see like will my hair change a lot, because the effects of the one that helps you sleep are really good. And I bought a conditioner as well. These are all really cheap. They were all like £5 or £4 and they last for ages. This is the hair conditioner. It smells absolutely amazing. I have not used it yet just because I'm trying to use up another one. But this is called Jungle, and I have a little pot for it. Well, it's a big pot compared to the shampoo ones. But this is like so moisturizing, it like melts in your fingers if you hold it for too long. Like it's crazy. And it smells so nice. It smells just like freshness and trees and jungle. Like it's just so cool. It's helped to like tame wild hair and like help to prevent split ends and stuff. The next hair product that I have is Shine So Bright. This is a hair balm for split ends. I can never open this. I have to kind of like press my fingers into it. I have used a good bit of this. I'm not sure if you can see that, but this will literally, this product, you only need a tiny bit. It will last me forever. It's it's like a balm. You warm it up in your hands, in the palm of your hands, and then you apply it to the ends of your hair, and it kind of tames the frizziness. It helps to make it shiny. It smells really, really nice as well, and it just, the next day or after you shower it out, your hair is just like really soft and luxurious kind of. So I really, really love that product. I have to speed it up because I've been talking for like 11 minutes and I'm not even halfway there. The next product that I have for hair is the No Dry shampoo. I absolutely love this. It smells perfect. Like, it smells like fruity kind of freshness. I really hated the aerosol smell of dry shampoo. It just kind of felt like you had dry shampoo in your hair, and that kind of creeped me out. But this one smells so fresh, and you can't, if you walk, you can't actually smell it off your hair unless you stuff your hair in your face, which I like, because with the aerosol cans you can smell it all day long, like that you have dry shampoo in your hair. And I feel like if you're like close to anyone, I feel like they'll be thinking, oh, she has dry shampoo in your hair, because it's such like a distinctive smell, if you get what I mean. The next product I'm going to be moving on to like shower gels and stuff. So this is the Deep Sleep Shower Jelly. I absolutely love this. I couldn't recommend this enough. It's hard to get used to the actual like texture of a shower jelly because I'm just used to shower gel, but it's a fun experience to try. It kind of slips all around the place, but the effects of the deep sleep thing, it does really work. I always get tired after using this and I like to go to bed, and I can never sleep at night, so it's really, really good. I have a bubble bar next, and I have chopped off a bit of this, but this is the Comforter Bubble Bar. It smells like raspberries and berries. It smells so good. Like, this is the best smelling Lush product I've ever smelled. It's just beautiful. When you put it in the water, the bottled water turns a beautiful shade of pink, and there's white bubbles everywhere. I have only used a little bit of it. Well, it was like out to here. It's very big. It was only £4, which is amazing, and if you chop it into 4 sections you could get like £1 per bath, and it's just very, very good value, because some bath bombs could be like up to £10, which is kind of expensive for using it all in one time, but that one's only 4 and you get the same effects. So the next shower product that I have is the Ocean Salt. This is a face and body scrub. I think I'm just going to use it for my face. It comes in a really big pot. You get 120 grams, and it's like an exfoliating kind of face mask scrub kind of thing. I haven't actually used this before, but I'm really excited to use this because it's my newest one. The next, I'm going to move on to face mask, and this one is, just to clarify, this is like brightening and stuff. I really, really enjoy this, although it does smell a little bit stinky. I'm not a fan of the smell, but I love the effects of it. And then this is the 100 milliliters. That's the wrong way to pronounce this, but this is like a green detoxing one. It smells absolutely amazing. I feel like the smell of it just detoxes your mind as well when you're wearing it. Like, it's just a very good Sunday evening get your shit together mask. And then I'm going to move on to my moisturizers. This is the, I have no idea how to pronounce this, like no idea. But this is a facial moisturizer. I've absolutely been loving this. It's not smelly like the Skin Drink one. It smells very clean, but it's not a strong smell at all. It's a very relaxing scent, I think. I'm not sure what's in it. Avocado, aloe vera, and fresh fruit. But it smells really nice. I highly recommend this, and this is for like mattifying your skin a little bit, but I do think it leaves it a bit glowy, which I like. I'm not complaining. The next product is my absolute favourite thing from Lush right now. This is the Sleepy Body Lotion. It smells absolutely amazing. It has kind of like a purpley kind of tint to it. It reminds me of my bedtime now. I have really hard times of sleeping at night time. I put it on my shoulders, down my arms, and it makes me fall asleep within a half an hour, which is amazing for me because I can never ever sleep. So I absolutely love that product, and I'm going to keep repurchasing it until the day I die, literally, because it's my new favourite thing ever. So that's all for my Lush products. I'm so excited to try more products from Lush and like to build my collection, but that is my Lush product, but that is my Lush collection for 2018. Maybe in 2019 I might have a new one for you guys. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I will leave all my Lush hauls down below if you want to check them out, or any other Lush related product videos, or any other Lush related videos that I have done, because I have done a few of them. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you soon with a brand new video.